Hi everyone, I'm back. So you'll see I've cut this out here. So this is the original folded piece of paper, and I do want to explore how the tension of this piece here not only informs the tension and curvature of the blade or lobe, but also if it pushes a tension back into the center here, creating the concave of the sabu disc or schist disc. I believe that concave is really important. Perhaps the back of the disc and the handle, and also the inner portion of this disc, I believe have a laminar flow effect. I believe this is a laminar flow hybrid with perhaps using the lobes for perhaps adding torque or adding additional speed. I'm not sure, but I believe perhaps this concept started as one smooth laminar disc like a bead, where the Egyptians may have actually viewed the back of this disc as the front. I'm more and more getting convinced that actually what we think is the back is the front, and that these are air intakes because of the curvature. Okay, so coming back to it now, there's a lot of folds in this, so if I use this to apply tension, I may not be confident that this tension is running through here correctly to the center because of the folds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brace this up by putting another sheet of uncreased paper behind the template and cutting that out, and perhaps just lightly gluing those together, and then we'll see how this plays out when we can put the tension of these geometric lines through this disc. Now I'll show you what I mean again now that I've got two hands, and that's why this angle is a bit funny, because I've just taped my camera up a little bit. But when I apply, and it's tempting just to fold over because that's what we want, but we don't want to fold over. We want to fold on this little line here. If you can see this little line here, we fold on that little line, which is the circumference of the circle. And if we put that circular pressure from both sides, also it's putting this pressure here to make this want to fold in the middle. But if we put all the pressure this way, this fold is perhaps too pronounced. And also you can see by putting pressure here, can you see it's also creating some curvature in this disc? And I just wonder whether on all of these, so there's 6 points, whether that is actually informing the curvature of the disc. 6 makes could be some sort of hexagonal pressure going in. So that's what I'm looking at the moment, just having a play. Apologies for the camera angle. We'll see how I'll play this back and see how it goes. But until next time, stay safe everybody.